Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create a YouTube channel with your smartphone from start to finish. I mean, from creating your Gmail account to YouTube channel. Stay tuned. So the first step is to create a Gmail account. So go ahead, open your browser, type in Gmail account. Select the Gmail account option. It will bring you to this page. Select create your Google account. Because I have other Gmails, it will bring you these options. Just click on add account. Then it will load and bring you to this page. Click on create account for myself. Then go ahead, type in your first name and last name. I'll be using Chiamaka and Momo. After that, click on next. Then it will also load and bring you to where you put your basic information, your date of birth and your gender. After that, click on next. So Google is going to suggest some Gmail for you. I'm going to choose the first one. You can actually customize yours if you want, and you click on next. Then it will bring you to where you create your password. Go ahead and type in the password you are sure you'll be able to remember anytime, any day. Then click on next. Then it will bring you to this page where you add your phone number. Type in your phone number and click yes, amen. Then it will bring you where you type in the code that Google will send to your phone. So mine has entered. Go ahead and click on next. Then it will bring you to privacy and terms. Go ahead and flip through it, read and type I agree. Click on I agree. And that's it. Once your account is ready, Google is going to send you this kind of welcome message, and that's it for your email. So go ahead and click on the YouTube app, open it up like this. So this is basically what the home page looks like. So click on the name icon here over on your right corner. It will bring you here. Click on your channel. Then it will bring you here. Click on the photo icon to put your profile picture. This will bring you to where you open up your gallery or take a photo. So I'll open the gallery and select one of the pictures. So I'll just choose one of the pictures and as that will use as a profile. Let's use this one. Click on the save icon, on the save button I mean. So that's it. You have your profile picture. So go ahead and click on channel name. That's if you want to change it. If you want to use a different name, I'll still stick to Chiamaka and Momo. And you click on create channel. Ta-da! You have a YouTube channel right now. So now you have a YouTube channel. You can go ahead and edit the channel by adding some basic informations. Click on add description so that when your audience clicks in, they know what your channel is all about. So this is a DIY channel. If it's a food channel, you let them know. Whatsoever you are doing, just type it in here and click on OK. So if you want to upload, click on the plus icon and it will take you to your gallery. To take you to upload, then to your gallery, and you select your video that you must have made already. Please, if you find this useful, don't forget to subscribe,